The most popular reverse mortgage product in America is the federally insured home equity conversion mortgage, also known as the HECM. But did you know that the HECM can also be used to purchase a home? Older homeowners often find it challenging to move. But fortunately, HUD, Housing and Urban Development, created the HECM for Purchase program to allow qualified borrowers that are 62 and older to purchase a new principal residence and obtain a reverse mortgage in a single transaction. The HECM for Purchase can be very useful for homeowners who want or need to relocate to be closer to family members, especially grandchildren, downsize or right size to a home that matches your physical needs, or even upsize to your dream home for retirement. Whatever the reason, the HECM for Purchase allows you to buy a new home, but without using all of the proceeds from the sale of your current home. For more information on the HECM for Purchase product, reach out to a retirement mortgage professional today.